Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Hollis Spargo. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2015?
Is that Dovizioso as well?
Is.
There's
Unbelievable!
For the factory Ducatis, Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike into Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to since the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio.
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
blasted into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, on Yamaha Suzuki out hit around Maggots and Beckett. Quattararo wincing a bit.
The tarmac run off quite a few times there.
At the sharp end of this one then as they now hit around.
Into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
blasted into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, on Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now hit around Maggots and Beckett.
High five. Down he went. For the factory Ducatis. Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times.
They're trying to get that bike.
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales.
the happy siren, the battered
Here
bruise.
we go. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is.
There's fire from the Ducati. The high five. Down he went. For the factory Ducatis. Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Damn the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
blasted into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Down he went. For the factory Ducatis. Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag. Send Beckett, Quattararo. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is.
There's fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. For the factory Ducatis. Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings.
Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
with Vinales then.
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is.
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. For the factory Ducatis. Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
Mark Marquez now has wound the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings, with Vinales then following Morbidelli, quite battered into Quattararo. Yamaha is on the stretcher. Well, on Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this. Shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quattararo. A shocker hit around. Maggots and Beckett's. Quattararo, brilliant start from Marquez from pole. Is that Dovizioso? Fire from the Ducati, the high slide, down he went, all the facts of Ducatis, Clapton didn't believe it. They're trying to get that bike out, they're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get the Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Mark Marquez now has wound the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings, with Vinales then following Morbidelli, battered and Beckett. Quattararo, he's wincing a bit. Dovizioso is going to be with them. The second flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is! Petrucci's done it! Petrucci's dream is realised! He is
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.